Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this arm-tied blood pressure monitor that this brand sent to me for this video. I gotta say one thing about this one that I really like. Besides that, it's rechargeable via USB-C, so you can connect it to this USB-C cable and recharge. And it's gonna give you about in total 2 hours of runtime. So you're not gonna use it for 2 hours straight. So those 2 hours are gonna be between the many times that you're gonna use it, which is translated into about like 200 or 150 times, depending on how much you use it, like every time. The thing about this one, which I really like, I can't show you that because I'm using my phone, but you can actually connect it to an app. You have an app with this one. You can monitor one person, two people. You can control like every day. You have alarms. You had a kind of like a reminder. You have many things that you can control with the app, which I really like. That's something that not all of the other ones that I tried actually gives you. With the app, you have the power to have two people, and you can name those people user A or user B, and then you have the chance to have two people at the same time, kind of like running like tests and just making sure that everything is okay. So that's one of the things that I really like about this one. Then how easy it is to use. So the thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna put it in your arm. And by the way, I'm gonna go super silent in just a few seconds because you can't move with this one. Remember, don't put it like super tight, just a tiny bit tight. And then what you gotta do, you gotta adapt a position that you're not crossing your legs, you're not talking, you're breathing normally. And probably if it is better, you put your arms like this. So I'm gonna fast forward this, but I'm gonna actually use it right now. So here we are. We have the values right here, which are pretty accurate because I just came back from the gym like probably like 10 minutes ago or 15 minutes ago. So that is why I have a 133 and 92 and about like 78 pulse per minute. So that's actually pretty accurate, I want to say, because again, I just came back from the gym. It's going to be probably like 15 minutes ago or something like that. So I was doing some cardio, and then I was driving my truck, and I was putting some boxes and something in my living room. So that actually is pretty accurate, I have to say. So it's going to give you for the user number 1, you can add the user number 2, and then you saw how easy it is to use. Just press a button and that's it. Remember, rechargeable, you can use it as many times as you want, as long as there's battery, and then you can add it to the app and have control of the information for two people at the same time. This one is pretty one. I like it. Pretty good one.